It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hello, welcome back again to my channel, beautiful people. I am happy to have you here. So today is part 4 of my charger plate DIY series on how to make high-end wall art with charger plates. So this is the turquoise edition. My name is Nora G and welcome to my nook. Please, before I dig into this, if you're new to my channel, I will love it if you can hit that subscribe button and join my Nook virtual family. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for sticking with me. So part 4 on how to make high-end wall art with chargers turquoise edition is backed by client's request. So this is meant to be for kids room, and they were okay with me doing a video to show you what I will be doing this time. So I'm only using very few items for this, as you can see, and we will get right into it. I got the spray as usual from Design Master in turquoise, and you can find this in the description box if you're looking to get one. Let's get started. So if you've watched the first, second and third edition, that is the gold, silver and rose gold edition on how to make high-end wall art DIY with chargers, so you would obviously know the drill. Okay, so we're doing the same thing using the Mardi Gras beads around the rim of the charger plates before we go ahead to do our design. So just watch as I do this. If you haven't watched any of those, make sure to check the links in the description box below to see how I made the gold, silver and rose gold editions. Thank you. So the idea for this glass rock wall decor or mirror wall decor is to create different variations using the glass rock. So I'm using biggest. So since I didn't have a very tiny glass rock, I used the Mardi Gras beads 3 times around the rim of the plate to kind of give an illusion of a smaller sized rock. So this glass rock wall decor is very similar to the Glam Glass Rock Mirror Wall Decor Rose Gold Edition and the Crystal Mirror Wall Decor Gold Editions. So make sure to check out those if you want to see more different variations of this. Okay, the difference here is that I am using 3 different sizes as opposed to the others. Sometimes it is fun to mix things up, and so here I am mixing things up again. All right. So once I was done placing the rocks, I went ahead to spray paint this, and like I had mentioned earlier or before in my previous videos, when it comes to spray paint, I really love Krylon, Design Master and Rust-Oleum. For this particular DIY, as usual, I am using Design Master. They just have the best spray paints, to be honest with you. I love their colors and the textures. Using both Gorilla Glue and hot glue, so I will go ahead to place the mirrors. These mirrors, like I had also mentioned from my previous videos, I got them from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. If you're in the US, that will be $1. Okay, I am in Canada, and here Dollar Tree is $1.25 for everything. And here is our final look, guys. Is it just me, or does this look like candy? Well, I just love how this turned out. Personally, I love metallics, okay? But whatever a client wants, the client gets. And so here we are. So for look number 2, the straw beads wall decor, as the name connotes, we're basically using straws and beads for this one. Just 2 items, okay? Very simple everyday items. And like I'd mentioned in the past 3 videos as well, I love that this particular DIY is very simple yet elegant, and I love that it is very versatile, as you can actually use them in your rooms, your living room, your office, your bedroom, you name it. And this will be going into a kid's room. It is very affordable, and it is decorating on a budget, guys. Decorating on a budget 2021. And this is also Z Gallerie inspired. So a Z Gallerie inspired DIY mirrors or Z Gallerie inspired DIY wall art on a budget. So make sure to try this, guys. Well, you know what time it is, guys. So if you've watched right up to this point, please show your girls some love and comment turquoise in the comment section. You know I love to interact with each and every one of you because you all are amazing and are my amazing Nook family. And please don't forget to smash that like button if you've enjoyed this video so far. Thank you, and let's continue. So for the straw beads wall decor, as you can see, I am following a pattern. So trying to make some kind of a spiral. So 2 straws and then a roll of beads. Okay, a row of beads. So far we have the gold, silver, rose gold edition, and now we have the turquoise. Okay, and so it can be done with whatever color you want to have done. In this case, we're doing turquoise because that is what the client wants. And again, this is very easy and very affordable, yet looks quite high-end, especially when you're going with metallics. All right, so now let's go on to spray paint and then put on our mirrors. This kind of looked cute even without a spray paint. Oh well, I'm kidding. Yeah, so yes, I did go ahead and spray paint, and then we will go ahead and place our mirrors as per usual, and then you will see the final look of this beautiful straw beads decor. Look at that. At the end of this video, please do let me know which of these 3 turquoise wall art was your favorite. Thank you. So for our final mirror wall decor, turquoise mirror wall decor, I will be using just some straws and some glass rocks. Alright, so for this one, I will be using my Gorilla Glue for the straws. Again, you can also use your hot glue. I will be using a combination of both. I just wanted to show you that you can actually use that. It was a little bit faster, even though it took a while to dry and cure, but using Gorilla Glue here was kind of like a faster option for me compared to before, where I usually use hot glue. As you will see, I'm going to use the hot glue as well at some point. Okay, I just wanted to show you that you can make do of what you have at home. So I have both hot glue and Gorilla Glue, and I'm almost running out of hot glue, so I'm making use of Gorilla Glue. All right, not that it is important, but I just had to state that. So I use 20 straws each for each section. So I have 3 sections of 20 straws. I basically will count 8 beads and then fit in 20 straws within that area, and then count the next 10, which is the space I'm leaving for the glass rocks, and then count another 8 for another 20 straws. Alright, so that is just me here. If you have a measurement, any kind of measurement that you can use to do this, go ahead and do that. Or if you're a freestyler like myself, you can just freestyle it and then be damned, like whatever and however it comes out, because again, this is art, and whatever that is and however it comes out is going to be beautiful in your own eyes. Oh well, be careful with that. Don't quote me on this. So the next step was placing the glass rocks in the spaces that I had left without the straws. Okay, so it's a combination of straws and glass rocks like I had mentioned earlier. Alright, so just watch as I complete this. Meanwhile, last week was Easter, and I hope you did check out my video on how I made some emoji Easter eggs DIY, as well as some giant eggs DIY that can be used not only for Easter but all year round. So make sure to check those out, okay? And also make sure to check out my 5 stunning new high-end spring DIYs for 2021. Alright, all from the Dollar Tree. So make sure to check out those videos, you won't regret it. Thank you. So once I was done replacing the glass rocks, I went ahead and added a second layer of beads, after which I will go ahead to spray paint this turquoise, and right after we will go ahead to put our mirror insert, and then you will get to see the final look. So here we go. Once again, using my Gorilla Glue and hot glue, I went ahead to insert the mirror, and here was our final look. My client loved this, and please do let me know in the comment section which of these three was your absolute favorite. So that will sum it up for our DIY turquoise wall art and easy charger plates DIY. I hope this mirror wall decor Dollar Tree gives you an idea and so much inspiration for your next DIY project. That said, if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to smash that like button and also be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're yet to, and turn on notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new exciting video. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching.